नमस्ते बच्चों, सबको हिंदी कक्षा में स्वागत है। Dear children, did you complete the notebook work and all? You have to complete the notebook work and you have to study very well. Okay, dear children, we already learned one lesson, ticket album from online classes. We completed that lesson. Which lesson? Part ka naam ticket album. Ticket album meaning what? Stamp collecting. Okay. Then, let us recall that lesson summary. We can see. Okay. In this lesson, we can see two boys. Two boys, many are there. Rajappa and Nagarajan. His name was Rajappa and Nagarajan. Our Rajappa had one album. He had one album. And that album very good, very attractive album. He collected so many stamps from different places and he pasted the album. Which day he is Saturday and Sunday he is collecting stamp from various places and he pasted. But after some days, our Nagarajans also got one album. From where? From Singapore. Nagarajan's मामा जी कहाँ है? In Singapore में. Singapore से one album भिजवाया था. Nagarajan also got one album. After after getting that album, all the students are gathered with him. For what? For watching that Nagarajan's album. So many of the children said Rajappa's album is not at all good, but our Nagarajan album is very good. In that time, our Rajappa was too very gloomy and too sad. He was very gloomy, very sad. And next day he planned to go to the Nagarajan's home. One day, Rajappa went Nagarajan's home. In that time, our Nagarajan went outside. Suddenly, our Rajappa entered Nagarajan's room and he saw one album. He stole that album from Nagarajan's room. Who? Our Rajappa. And suddenly he returned back his home. When Nagarajan came back his home, he's searching his album. He's just searching. That time, album missing. Our Nagarajan album is missing. Lost his album. He's very sad. He started to cry. And he informed everything his friend Appu. He said, Appu, my album is missing. So, Appu, this whole thing said to his our Rajappa. That time our Rajappa mind was very nervous. Why? He stole the album from Nagarajan's room. That's it. After 2 days, what he done? Rajappa took that album and suddenly that album put into the fire and destroyed. Nagarajan's album destroyed. Next day, our Nagarajan came Rajappa's home. That time our Rajappa is also very nervous, he's very sad, very gloomy. So Nagarajan is very crying and he said to his friend Rajappa, Rajappa, my album is missing. That time our Rajappa Besharmasin Rajappa said, no problem here, I will give my album. Rajappa took his album and hand over to the Nagarajan. And Rajappa said, Nagarajan, you take this album and go to your home. Nagarajan started going to his home. Suddenly, at that time Nagarajan asked, what happened? What's the purpose for giving you your album? That time Rajappa said, you keep this album and then you keep in your hand. And Nagarajan started went his home. Suddenly, our Rajappa called him from back and said, Nagarajan, please give that album for 1 more days. 1 more days I have to keep in my hand. That time Nagarajan said, no problem, you keep this album. 1 more days today it's your hand. And Nagarajan gave to him. After both were very sad, and our Rajappa also very sad. Rajappa that album keep in his chest and he started to cry. This much only in this lesson. Dear children, what message we got from this lesson? Yes, we know. Our Nagarajan also have album, then Rajappa also had that album. Both were friends. But so many students eagerly seeing that Nagarajan's album and many variety stamp also there. That's why we know in this ticket album पाठ से हमें क्या शिक्षा मिलती है. टिकट एल्बम कहानी से हमें यह शिक्षा मिलती है कि हमें दूसरों की वस्तु देखकर ईर्ष्या भाव नहीं करनी चाहिए. What message? We got this message. What message? हमें दूसरों की वस्तु देखकर किसी भी ईर्ष्या भाव नहीं करनी चाहिए. We should not be jealous of anyone. Okay? Let us see. We can see. Please listen. हमें किसी के प्रति ईर्ष्या भाव नहीं रखना चाहिए. हमें किसी के प्रति ईर्ष्या भाव नहीं रखना चाहिए. Why? We should not be jealous of anyone. ईर्ष्या भाव रखने से आपसी प्रेम नष्ट हो जाता है. What happened that time? ईर्ष्या भाव रखने से आपसी प्रेम नष्ट हो जाता है. Mutual love is destroyed by having jealousy. हम परेशान रहते हैं. We are very upset that thing. जितना भी हमारे पास हो उसमें संतुष्ट रहना चाहिए. Whatever we have, we should be satisfied. यदि हम उससे अधिक चाहते हैं तो हमें प्रयत्न करना चाहिए. If you want more than that, we should try. We have to try. We should more. We have to try. हमें यह कभी नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि मेहनत और लगन से सभी कुछ प्राप्त किया जा सकता है. We should never forget that with hard work, मेहनत and dedication, everything can be achieved. ईर्ष्या भाव के कारण व्यक्ति को पछताना पड़ता है. ईर्ष्या भाव के कारण व्यक्ति को पछताना पड़ता है. Person has to repent because of its emotion. Yes, we understood one message from this lesson. What message we got from this lesson? We should not be jealous of anyone. Whatever we have, we should be satisfied. Okay, I hope all of you have understood this lesson. So, dear children, let us see some word meanings from this lesson. Please listen. This is all the word meaning. You have to study very well. Jamkad. Jamkad means bheed. Jamkad, bheed. Then sahsa, achanak. Gamandi, abhimani. Tatolna. Tatolna means खोजना, तलाशना, तलाश करना. खुद, स्वयं. मजाक, हंसीना. यकीन, विश्वास. What is the meaning of यकीन, विश्वास. Then शक, संदेह, doubt. Okay, you have to read the word meaning and you have to write and study 2 more time and study very well some word meanings. And one more thing, dear children, you have to read the lesson 2 times. Ticket album lesson you have to read 2 times today itself, and you have to study this word meaning also. Okay, and you have to complete the notebook work also. You have to complete the notebook work and you have to study very well that notebook work, and you have to, and one more thing, I can find out so many notebooks are so many spelling mistake. Avoid all things. You have to write neatly and clearly and complete the notes and read the lesson 1 time and word meaning also study very well. I hope all of you have understood this lesson. Let me conclude today's class. Dhanyavad bachcho.